Hello, my name is Ashley Jackson. I am a program coordinator with the Center for Children's Health, led by Cook Children's. First off, I would like to mention the reason I do not have a mask on is because I am in a room by myself. I'm here to share with you today the Center for Disease Control and Prevention's Milestone Tracker App, which is developed by the Learn the Signs Act Early program. This app provides tools and resources to support parents and caregivers in recognizing how their child is developing. So that is how your little one plays, learns, speaks, acts, and moves. Also tips and activities to support your child at every age. The CDC's Milestone Tracker app is available for download to your mobile phone through the App Store and also the Google Play Store. The CDC Tracker app offers interactive milestone checklists in English and Spanish for children's ages 2 months through 5 years. The ability to adjust the checklist if your child was born prematurely. Photos and videos that illustrate each milestone, making tracking them for your child easy and fun. Your child's milestone summary to share with others, like your child's healthcare provider. Tips and activities that can help your child's development. Information on what to do if you have a concern about your child's development. And lastly, reminders for appointments and developmental screening. So now I'll walk you through how to use the app on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded the CDC Milestone Tracker from your app store, open the app and it should look something similar to this. And it will ask you to select a language, and there are 2 options, again, English and Spanish. The app will share with you a short introduction page and detail simple steps to help you get started with tracking. Select Start Tracking, and you can enter your information. If you're a parent or guardian, select that from the drop-down menu, and also the state in which you reside. Select Next, and you will be able to add your child's profile. Enter their name, their date of birth. Also select if your child was born prematurely, and also select your child's gender. You can see here that I have entered Mercy with a date of birth of September 17th, 2020. You can also add another child's profile at this time or at a later time, and then the app will provide a quick walkthrough guide of how to use the milestone checklist. From there, the app will automatically load the appropriate checklist, and you can see that in that purple half of the screen. And this interactive checklist will lead you through the important milestones your child should be doing at their current age. So now you can start tracking. As you read the milestone descriptions, there will be 3 response options provided. You can select yes, not sure, or not yet. So select your response based on what you have seen your child do. Also, there is a specific section where you can add notes that you may want to refer back to. You can also use the photos and videos to identify what the milestones look like for your child. So this video provides an example of a child showing fear in some situations. Continue through the checklist, providing your response to each milestone description, again, selecting those options, either yes, not sure, or not yet. And you will continue through each developmental area, which is listed at the top: social, language, cognitive, and movement. So once you have made it through the checklist, you will enter a section called When to Act Early. In this section, it will help you identify other significant milestones your child may or may not be doing. At the top of this list, it does note that if you select any of the items in this list, it is important to act early by talking with your child's doctor and asking for a developmental screening. So once this section is completed, you'll be able to access your child's summary. And this categorizes all of the responses from the checklist, also highlighting areas that may be of concern. So you can scroll through this list, you can edit your answers or edit any notes. This summary can be shared via email with your child's doctor by selecting Email Summary, or any other healthcare professional as well. And then you can also share this summary with your child's doctor at their next appointment. And this provides an easy to read list that you and your doctor can review in the clinic. So some other features that you can access within the app are tips and activities that you can do with your child to support their development. Also, there is a milestone overview, which provides a list of the social milestones that your child should be reaching at their current age. At the bottom of this page, you can also add in any appointments, and then also select notifications in user settings, and you can turn on reminders for those appointments and also for the next checklist. So as you can see, the CDC's Milestone Tracker is helpful in helping parents and caregivers support their child's development and also identify when to act early and share those concerns. So you can start tracking today. Now through the end of March 2022, our team will be providing parents and caregivers with a gift card for tracking their child's development, and that will be done just by downloading the free CDC Milestone Tracker App, completing at least one developmental checklist for one child, also emailing that summary to our community health worker at buildabridge@cookchildrens.org, and then completing a short consent. This is an opportunity for our community health worker to connect with you and also provide assistance if there are any needs. So I do want to acknowledge that this app is not a substitute for the standard assessments that are done in clinic with your child's doctor. So it's very important to maintain those appointments and complete those assessments with your child's doctor. So thank you for joining me. I hope you have found this app to be useful and helpful. You can access the website for more information at cdc.gov/milestone tracker. And then you can also contact Build-A-Bridge at buildabridge@cookchildrens.org for more direct help in utilizing this resource and finding developmental support for your child. Thank you.